Hello EA Technology fans, this is George talking about the PD simulator. It's designed for training for partial discharge testing around the world. And let's take a look at the unit. We'll talk about these other items here in a moment. So in the box you have an instruction manual and a test certificate. Here's the unit itself. There's a wall charger with different plug adapters for various countries. And there's a key fob for operating the unit remotely. And then there's these two cables, which we'll discuss here in a moment. Let's take out the unit. So you power it up by holding down the power button. There's a charger port here. And this port here is for the two supplied cables. So you have a connection point here, and so the PD simulator will generate a TEV, transient earth voltage signal, which you can operate at different power levels with the up and down buttons, and you can use the alligator clip to clip it to a panel such as this one. Obviously this isn't a great example, there's no door, but just to give you an idea. There's also a magnetic one. Just try to find an unpainted area if possible of the panel. You can also do the TEV measurement directly over this section is at the highest point, so you would put your TEV sensor right here directly on the unit. Now there's also an ultrasonic sensor generator, so you have up and down buttons to increase the power as well, and there's a mode button. There's a few modes that are discussed in the manual. When you're doing ultrasonic testing, another reason for the panel is an example. You could put it inside the cabinet and close the door, and then you can use if you're using the UltraTev Plus 2, you have a sensor here that you could use around the edges, or the remote sensor around the door, or if there's like right here there's a little hole, you could check there. Remember, you need a path for the ultrasonic sound to escape, and that's what you're going to be looking for. You could also practice with your contact sensor, or at a distance you can practice with the parabolic sensor. Again, it's a great training tool that you could use for yourself and for your staff. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.